How to remove an object from video in the DaVinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to remove these books. Pay attention that this is still footage and the camera is not moving at all, so there is no need for tracking here. Go to the Effects panel, click on Open FX, and search for Patch Replacer. Drag and drop Patch Replacer effect into your video in timeline. Now at the bottom of the viewer, from drop-down select Open FX Overlay. There are two ellipses shapes here. Put the right one above the object you want to remove, and put the left one above another part of the table that you want to use it as the source. With your video selected, open up the inspector and click on Effects tab. Instead of these ellipses, I want rectangles. Adjust the size and position of each rectangle in the viewer. Play around with the size and position of the rectangles and adjust other properties based on your needs. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.